This video demonstrates how to use the Read Var function block with Machine Expert Basic. Click on the Configuration tab. Click on ETH1. Enter the configuration parameters for the parent device. Enter the IP address of the child device and click Add. Go to the Programming tab. Add the Read Var by selecting Function Block. Scroll down to Communication and select Read Var. Change the length to ETH1. Set object type to read multiple words, Modbus 0x03. Set first object memory location to %MW from child device. Set the quantity of registers to be read. Set the %MW registers where the data will be read. Go to the Commissioning tab and log into the PLC. Go to the Programming tab and click on the Animation table. A timer was set up in the first rung to read data once per second. This concludes this tutorial about the Read Var.